What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we're inside Lapaz, WAPCAS, one of their branches. We fixed our electric fence, very beautiful electric fence, 6-line with maximum shock. The output voltage is around 9,900, very, very high. You don't want to mess with the fence. We spent some few days, like 3 days, to finish up this project. Very nice. I'm very excited to see the final way. So let's go.